Marty tight of the Coronano, then why the adjustment is breaking out. Then Marty Fia, then my Abatu, my Able, then I start motor now. I use yo.
That's that. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be showing you guys how to change the brake lining on a Mercedes-Benz 814 truck. So as you can see, this is the brake lining. This one is like all worn off. Like you can see that the brake port is not even pushing it far enough to be touching the drum. And on this side, you can see this side is completely gone. Like there is nothing here. Like show the on the side of this. Did you get it? As you can see, this one is completely gone, and this one is the one that's not even like working anything. So we are trying to. These are the new ones. They're going to be going on the brake shoes, and yeah, come along.
Yeah.
So, all right, we are going to start off by removing the brake lining, and then chiseling out the brake lining. That's this ones. We're going to lose it out, and then put in the new one. So let's go.
I don't know. I say you got the pay. You never get it.
Our hammer is broken, so that's why I'm using this one. So these are the pins holding the lining in place. Alright, they're out. So let's start off by chiseling this one out. This old one. Chisel it out, remove the rivets, and then rivets in the new one. So let's go. I'm not reminded to return them.
I don't want to know that. Huh? How much do you think you like a proposal? That's $10. Is this $100? What you say the I don't like you. I got family. I'm waiting to talk. Look at the back. You know, Gaffa. No, let me go. You know what I mean? The village. I'm making that because I go fun. Let me go to the post side.
Can I go outside?
Huh?
Which side?
The carry hand they go my boy side.
Okay.
Never come on like that. If you don't throw me, go back side. I go set the pole up.
All right. Let's remove the old one. There are different ways you can like remove it, but this one is like the cleanest way, so it's out. We're just going to like scrape the surface of this one and this, and then we'll start installing the new ones. Can you get me right? Okay, all right, we are done
Knocking the band.
knacking the band as our man here has told us. So we're done installing the brake pad. So what's left now is just to mount it onto the axle. So let's get started.
So what are we waiting for? This thing?
Sure.
Wow. Let me define. Come on. Already.
Alright, so while putting this speed, you have to make sure you line this gutter here with this key, this flat key. So this one goes into this place. Make sure to make sure the pin doesn't like go in or out, like doesn't leave this plate. So that's what we are going to do now. There's a big shout there.
The man shot. It's in there when they will go shot.
Put on that rubber.
I don't see the rubber.
Small ring rubber.
Only one.
I keep that one. I get the one sit down so they not got to 9 of dinner. Like this one.
NANI?!
Really hope.
How much did I break you? Only by the cook.
Back out. Alright guys, this is going to be it for this video. So we are done. So what's left is just to put that cover, tie the cover, then do adjustment on the brakes, then after that we are done. So that's going to be it for this video. So if you like the video, if you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends and family if you think they're going to like it. And with that said, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and stay safe. So do you have anything to say to the camera?
Hello guys, we are here tightening the cover of the, you don't tie that one.
Do you have anything to say?
We are the content creators. We are about to tighten all these things. After tightening, we are just going to the brake. Then we are about to go viral. Around the opposite circle. If I'm not going to tighten the corner, then why the adjustment is breaking now. Then my TV, then I about to then I start motor now. I use the video.